So how you know which one is what?
There's only 4 ICs. Look.
So just to put it on the down?
Yeah. Oh, it's pin 1 in this place here, number 1. Right here. Where is it? The number 1. Number 1. So you see that little thing right there? That's pin 1. That little dotted thing, that's pin 1.
So you don't need to know, like, it's okay. Este puede ir ahí, este puede ir acá.
Yeah, because they're all the same.
Let's do it.
The large resistor. I'm using the large resistor goes here. D1. LED. 7. Next. Soldering.
There's my homework.
10. I'll apply directly to a solid tip.
The OFI, this is an OFI optical fiber identifier. That's what they do. They measure the traffic
Figure 12
signals
is
in the fiber optics.
It's not figure 12.
figure 11.
Oh, this is figure 12, sorry.
Oh.
It is figure 12.
I think that's figure 6. Figure 12.
Just
The
read
actual
the
breadboard itself.
So the 330
Fiber
ohms has to go to every R.
The guys that work with fiber
first
optics,
Yeah.
Figure
like,
4.
you know,
So it's these.
Comcast,
These on the
Verizon, all of
Has
that.
to go.
Yeah, so all.
check
1 through
fiber
7.
optic is transmitting.
Yeah. So that's our 5, 6.
Because
How fast and what direction it's
yeah,
going.
and because
5,
we
6.
don't know.
Seven,
So sometimes they
Oh,
don't tell us.
yeah.
Sometimes you put a lot.
Fiber optic is
Well, I believe it's from
Hold it on
On
the
top,
right.
right?
Yeah,
We're soldering
so
from
so
under.
you don't really
on
know.
top, so it's like here.
Transmitting or transmitting because there is no way to
And then
measure
there.
the voltage.
Well, you need to
There's
go
no,
with
you know,
No?
Yeah,
no measure.
From there.
Again, there's no voltage.
It's
It
light.
shows the location.
So this is
So we just solder
This is
right here, but we solder on.
wow, look.
It's solid.
Right.
I don't think so. I think, honestly, I think it's on. I
Yeah,
think it's
that's
from.
never mind. Sorry.
Yeah.
Yeah, but it's.
Oh,
I think
there's
that
a
it's on here.
But that's fine. There's
You can
no.
hook it up to.
Green wheel.
There.
Oh,
soldering. Yep, you're right.
Yeah.
Sorry, under it. Do we have to cut?
Well, she said that this. So she said like, you go like
It's a
this.
liquid, yeah, I think that
She said
So how you
that
put it on?
basically you're soldering.
Like that with a brush or something?
When I spoke to her, it was like this. So she said when you're doing,
thin needle.
Oh, I see. When you're soldering, then
So
you
when
cut
I do it, I
it.
got
I
it.
see.
so
I
you
got
solder
it.
and then you like,
Put a little
you
bit of
got,
water,
you go like here,
a line.
solder
A line,
cut.
and then I go to the back, and then I'll put a
Oh, you
line,
bend it like that?
line, and then I'll
So you
solder.
solder like, so you make the connection here,
Yeah, and it's tiny, smooth, it goes
and
on.
then
Cover.
make sure not
Oh,
to
it's
use that
done.
part, but to get like there,
There is a project,
and
one of
then
those little things.
like there.
It's
Something about like if you get solder on this one,
Yeah.
then it connects the resistor to here, and it's not supposed to do that.
Yeah, the one that
You can measure
Some shit like
with
that.
Yeah,
That's what.
Yeah, because these things are connected
Yeah.
in a way.
The
Buses, man.
Buses are gay.
I'm just gonna have to try it. They don't got no flux. Take that shit off.
I don't have my kit honestly with me, so I wish I
Leave
did.
it like that.
So, if you commit a mistake in soldering, there is a way to, you know, try
Flux.
to fix it
Is that flux?
with this solder sucker.
Solder sucker.
Can we try?
You can try it, okay? So, you push it like that, and then you put it where you want to extract, you heat that, and then suck.
But the bucket button?
Yes.
Got it.
Eso suena como cuando sacas
Okay, let me show you how it works.
When you heat it up,
You're right-handed, really?
Give me an example.
Yeah, yeah. Totally.
I'll tell you.
Yeah, no. Let's say that you want to remove the soldering from there. So you take
Yeah,
the
because I'm thinking, because you always use
soldering
it.
iron.
No,
Can you,
right with my left.
you could do that?
No, well, you use everything else, you do everything else with
Okay.
it.
Pero ese que está ahí.
Oh, but that's his own property. That belongs, that counts as that one.
No, this one so you can.
You just have to do it.
No,
Or
molestando al
one.
maestro.
These are small sisters.
Porque dicen que cuando...
Oh, you try to solve the whole thing?
Forget it, forget it.
Yeah, you want to see this.
Did you do this one? Sucker?
Yeah.
What are you saying?
Oh,
Sucker.
Oh, he wants me?
Yours.
I don't know, like that.
Thank you.
But they want the soccer.
If you're supposed to go that
Sorry.
far.
And yeah, on the track board.
You know, suck it right out. You gotta put that down. Two hands.